Did you know that when you sleep, your body releases several hormones, all crucial for repair, regulation, and maintaining your internal clock? Here are 9 key hormones released during sleep and their roles. 1. Melatonin. The primary sleep hormone, produced in darkness, signals your body to wind down. 2. Growth hormone, GH. Peaks during deep sleep, vital for tissue repair, growth, and metabolism. 3. Cortisol. Levels naturally drop at night, reducing stress, and rise in the morning to wake you. 4. Leptin. Signals fullness. Poor sleep decreases it, increasing hunger. 5. Ghrelin. The hunger hormone. Increases with lack of sleep, making you eat more. 6. Serotonin. Helps regulate mood and sleep, also a precursor to melatonin. 7. Oxytocin. The love hormone promotes relaxation and reduces stress. 8. Testosterone. Levels can fluctuate during sleep, supporting bone and reproductive health. 9. Insulin. Levels decrease during sleep, allowing the body to use fat for energy. These hormones work together like a well-orchestrated symphony to keep our bodies working at optimal levels. In a world deluged in microplastics, good sleep is your most potent and effective weapon. If you loved this video, like, share, and leave your comments.